expecting me, bruv? My mistake, original gangster. No, this cannot be forgiven. Now empty the compartments of your pantaloons. For what purpose? And discard of your footwear as well. For what purpose? In fact, I am equipped to summon the one casual.
1, 2, 3, My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure.
I always come.
16 autistic clowns. You're gonna be kicked in the balls every day by Kevin Hart. They're gonna pull your skin.
You seem to have personal issues. You should consult a professional who can help you.
You know what, Chelsea? I think you should jump.
I don't think I want to.
You don't want to? Why don't you show a little follow-through, Chelsea? Jump.
Please, I just want to get down.
I'm not suggesting anymore. Jump.
This one is absolutely incredible. How did you make this?
Somebody left a 40-foot tall pineapple lying around.
Patrick, I swear to God.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do.
What's up, homie? Let's go. Come at me, dog. Come at me, dog. Come on. What's up? What's up, dog?
I said I got Glock 19s, ARPs, I got hella Ks because I really do.